I'm Kit Spanfellner. I'm from Signet, Ohio. I'm leased with Davidson Trucking out of Bradner, Ohio. I've been driving for 23 years now. I've owned my own truck for 3.5 years now.
Right.
Yeah, this is my second out of the two trucks. I had a 2012 Kenworth T680, and now I own a 2015 Kenworth T680, and I'm liking it. Depending on where I haul, how much weight I got, I'm measuring anywhere from 7.5 to 9.5. Empty, I can go 10 miles per gallon, but bobtailing anywhere from 10 to 12 miles per gallon. So I got a 13 speed in this with IX15 Cummins, and she does really good. She pulls nice, pulls the hills good. You just watch your speed. It depends, location and the roughness of the road. You know, there's a lot of states that can't get to their roads right away. And yeah, we don't like construction, but we gotta live with it. We gotta have better roads. Just make sure your tires are proper inflated and take care of your trucks, and you get the best fuel mileage out of them.
So with Davidson Trucking, you guys are hauling in dry vans almost exclusively, right?
Yeah, mostly dry vans. We haul a lot of household goods, and we got a big account with principal business out of Bowling Green, Ohio, which is adult diapers. And we travel pretty much a 500-mile radius, but we do go farther with them. It's different. I've been pulling oversized and flatbed for 19 years before I injured myself, and it's a different experience pulling a van, but it's a little bit easier on my back. I was pulling oversized from Columbus City, Indiana, up to Lansing or Port Huron, Michigan, and they were over width, over length, and anybody knows Lansing, Michigan, it's like a ripple effect. And after 4 or 5 days in a row, I just couldn't get out of the driver's seat. I messed up my L4, L5, my S1. I got back to the yard in Fort Wayne, and the mechanic knew what was going on. He actually helped me out of the truck, got me into a pickup truck to go to the emergency room. He moved the truck, disconnected everything for me, and I had to have my wife come all the way from Fort Wayne to get me. It was not an experience I would like to have on the road.
Right.
I was off work for 2.5 years, but determined myself I was going to get back in the truck.
And you've known Dan Davidson, owner of Davidson Trucking.
That
was like one of your first trucking jobs, right?
It was my second trucking job ever since I started, and I've known Dan since I was probably a little boy. He grew up with my parents, and I grew up with his daughters. They're younger than me, but we've all known each other. We come from a small town called Bettsville, Ohio, and everybody knows everybody. And one day I walked over and talked to him about getting a driving job, and 20 years ago I was working for him. I came back in July of 2019. He treats you like family. You know, I mean, there's no grudges. I was just young, hot-headed. And
back in those days, yeah.
Buy your own truck, you see the aspect of it from being an owner. You know, do what you do and follow the rules. Big difference.
Tell me about the APU here.
Yeah, they're a company based out of Grand Rapids. They're a small company. It's the only place I found that can actually work on them, service them, get parts from them. But it helps regulate my antifreeze in the winter time, keeps it black from freezing. My battery levels, if it starts getting low, I'll turn on, keep the batteries charged. It heats it in the winter time. Summertime, it'll cool it off inside and then shuts off. I use about half a gallon a night of diesel.
Okay. Where did the bumper come in?
The bumper was really flimsy. They had the plastic original bumper on her, so I decided one day I was like, I got to get that off. It doesn't look good. It's cracking. So I called up 4 states and ordered the one for my truck, and 2 days later it was at my house putting it on. It makes it look a lot nicer, more professional than your average black plastic, and I mean it makes the truck pop out more. That one was like $750 and $200 in shipping and handling. And that's all mine.